Thinking about upgrading from DaVinci Resolve Free to Studio? In this video, I'll walk you through the upgrade step by step, show you the one thing you must do before installing, and explain how to make sure none of your project get lost along the way. Let's dive in. The first step is to head over to the official Blackmagic design website. On the support page, click on DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. Then either search for Studio or simply scroll down until you see the download options. You will notice two versions, the free edition and the Studio edition. Make sure you grab the Studio installer for your operating system, Mac, Windows or Linux. You don't have to fill out all the details on the form. Just click download only. Now, here is a key step you don't want to skip. Backup your project. You've got two choices. Backup your entire library at once or export specific project as archives. Either way, your timelines and media will be safe. I made another video showing both methods in detail. Check out the link in the description for that. Once your backup are done, quit DaVinci Resolve Free and open the installer. You just download it. On Mac, unzip the file and run the package. On Windows, just double-click the installer. Follow the prompts. Click Continue, agree to the terms, choose your installation location, and hit Install. If it asks for your password, enter it, and let installer run. When it's finished, launch DaVinci Resolve Studio from your Applications folder or Start menu. You will be prompted for your activation key. Just enter the code that came with your purchase, and you are good to go. The best part, your project should still be there. I always open one right away just to confirm everything works. And in most cases, it's completely seamless. To double check, go up to About DaVinci Resolve in the menu. You will see it now says Studio version. This is how you know the upgrade works. And that's it. You have officially upgraded to DaVinci Resolve Studio. Now you can start exploring the advanced features it unlocks. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you got a question, and hit subscribe for more Resolve and editing tips. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and hit dislike twice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.